Marlin Moon.
5 little teddy bears, cuddly and sweet, playing together on their soft fuzzy feet. They giggled and laughed as they tumbled around, having adventures where joy could be found. One little teddy climbed up a tall tree. "Oh no," it cried, "can someone help me?" The others all cheered, "We'll save you today." And together they laughed, hip hip hooray. 5 little teddy bears playing all day, jumping, dancing in their silly way, hopping and tumbling with fun they share. Adventures are better with a teddy bear. 4 little teddies found a bright red kite. They ran through the meadow in the sunlight. The kite soared high, but it started to dip. One teddy let go, gave a loud zip. "Don't worry," they said, "we'll get it back soon." And chased the red kite 'neath the big bright moon. With teamwork and laughter, they saved the day and danced in the starlight, shouting hooray. 4 little teddy bears playing all day, jumping, dancing in their silly way, hopping and tumbling with fun they share. Adventures are better with a teddy bear. 3 little teddies found a puddle to splash. They jumped and they giggled in the water's splash. But one little teddy slipped with a flop, and out of the puddle they gave it a hop. They dried off together under the sun and sang a sweet song when the splashing was done. It's more fun to play when we stick as a team. With friends like us, life feels like a dream. 3 little teddy bears playing all day, jumping, dancing in their silly way, hopping and tumbling with fun they share. Adventures are better with a teddy bear. 2 little teddies spied a honey bee, buzzing by flowers as busy as can be. "Oh look," they cried, "it's making sweet honey." But one teddy tripped, it was kind of funny. The bees just hummed as they flew away, leaving the teddies to laugh and play. They rolled in the grass and watched the sky, with fluffy white clouds drifting by. 2 little teddy bears playing all day, jumping, dancing in their silly way, hopping and tumbling with fun they share. Adventures are better with a teddy bear. One little teddy, all alone for a while, started to frown, then thought of a smile. "I'll call my friends, let's play some more. Together we're better, it's fun for sure." And just like that, the others returned with games to play and lessons they'd learned. We're teddies forever, we stick as a pack. No matter what happens, we got each other's back. 5 little teddy bears playing all day, jumping, dancing in their silly way, hopping and tumbling with fun they share. Adventures are better with a teddy bear. So cuddle your teddy, hold it tight. With your bear beside you, the world feels right. Teddies bring joy, they're fun and kind. A friend like a teddy is hard to find.